this is how we wash the engine. You can just take the lock before it is washed. So I want you to be following and see how we wash it with water. This is its lock before being washed. So you can please follow as I'm gonna start washing it. So this is how the process goes. With the help of the jet, you can follow at least and see. Now, this is how the process moves. So that is the engine after being washed. As you can see, it is now very clean and it's looking new, just as you can see. There we go. It has to be opened at least for 30 minutes for it to dry and that water to come out, so as it is effectively clean. So we need to apply also soap for the remaining dust, just as you can see. You have to apply soap, gently wash all this. As you can see, some of the engine components being washed like this. As you can see. Apply soap, all the components. This. Yeah. No, I'm just recording that. There is something I'm going to share with you.
That's how it's doing. Like
that's very recording. Chill out. Like that. Then after you bring the jet once more to remove all this leather in. Once again you bring the jets. That's the whole process. Finally the engine is done. It's now very clean, just as you can see, and it's even very new. Thanks for the following. That's all about engine wash. with water and a jet. Thank you.